Hi. Welcome to our Friday morning science session with Claire and
Me?
with Claire and me. We are going to look today at some really exciting things. So let me show you what we're going to start with. First of all, we are going to introduce you. We're going to introduce you to another of our little family friends. Here we go. I'm going to introduce you to Whistle. So we've been thinking about spring, about new life, and we are thinking about the little animals that are in our garden. So, would you like to go and get Whistle? So after we've said hi to Whistle, we're going to do something in our bag, and then we're going to read a story about a very hungry caterpillar. Exciting! Wow, look, Katie has brought over a big box. Can you see? Right. Oh, he's coming out. Hello, Whistle. Okay, show him right up to the camera there. This is Whistle. Hello. And Whistle is our little guinea pig. And we've had Whistle now for about 4 or 5 years. Um, and we've loved him very much, haven't we? So over winter when it's really cold, Whistle, he lives in his little house inside. But now it is springtime and the sun is out and it's much warmer, and Whistle really likes to be outside. He likes to be outside in the garden. So we are going to get his bed ready for him. His bed, because he eats grass all day long, but at night time it gets a bit cold, so we have to make his bed. So, Katie, what do we need to make his bed? Shall I hold Whistle? There we go, Whistle. What do you need to your bed? Oh, you do need some hay, don't you? Some hay. So Katie's just bringing over the hay, look. Here she comes. Wow. And we're just going to make his bed up for now in a little box, okay? But he won't sleep in the box. He'll sleep in his hutch in the garden. There we go, Katie. If I put his... Can you see it there? That's it. Fantastic. There we go. Oh, look. To say hello to all my friends at Portisbury, to our big friends and our little friends. Say hi to Ollie, because Ollie's watching. Yay, hi Ollie. And see if there's anybody else watching in a minute that you can say hi to too. There we go. Do very careful. Very careful. We couldn't let Bertie in for this, no, because Bertie wants to play. Right, that's right. So we put lots and lots of straw in here. See it going in? Whee! There we go. This might make a bit of a mess of my room, mightn't it? Fabulous, Katie. Brilliant. There we go. There we go, Whistle. Look. Does that look good? Oh, yeah. He quite likes to eat his bed. Can you see that? There we go. Lots of straw. Right, I'm going to put Whistle away in here for a moment. Because what else might Whistle need? Probably, we'll just keep it like that. So what else might Whistle need in his bed, Katie? He's got a bed. And he might need some food on top of grass, I think. So, there we go. Katie here is going to chop up. Can I just show the children? This is a red pepper. Now, guinea pigs really like red peppers. Very good for them with their vitamin D. And Katie is going to use a very sharp knife. a very sharp knife, very carefully, and a chopping board, and she's going to cut up for us, maybe on here, a little bit of food for Whistle. And if he's hungry, it might even eat it for you. Shall we see? Just a little tiny bit. Katie's got to be very careful to mind her fingers. Okay, and cutting it straight down. That's it, perfect. Worried mummies, they always get in the way, don't they? Always. Always. That's it, well done, Fab. Brilliant. You peel that open? Oh, yes. Look at that inside. You see the pepper? See all the seeds in there? As well, Whistle loves to eat all of it. Gobble, gobble, gobbles, doesn't he, Katie? I'm going to cut off a little tiny bit for him, see if he wants to nibble it. There we go. Fantastic. Right, thanks, Katie. Oh, what have you got, Whistle? See. Here we go. We're going to see if we can get Whistle to have some food. Oh, do you think he's gone camera shy? I think he's gone camera shy, Ollie. No. I think he's shy, Katie. Tell you what, we'll put him in his box and I'll show you in a minute if he's nibbled it. But I think Whistle will be really, really happy outside because he'll be nice and warm now, nice and cosy in his bed. He can hear the birds sing and he can eat lots and lots of grass. Speaking of birds, we've got a bird's nest in our garden.
Oh, look, he's eating it.
Oh, is he eating it now? There we go. We'll show you him eating it in a minute. But we've got a bird's nest in our garden. We can watch Mummy Bird sit on her eggs. And has she got 3 eggs or 4?
4.
We know definitely she's got 3 eggs. So that's exciting. Can't wait for those to hatch. Right. So we've met Whistle, who is now happily chomping on his food. And the next thing I was going to do with you was something in the bag. Now, before I do the bag, I just wanted to show you this. In fact, should we put Whistle back outside? We might say goodbye to Whistle, but just before I do this, sorry, because Bertie might want to come in, and Bertie and Whistle, they need to be kept separate. Okay, so say bye-bye. Bye. And Katie's just going to put Whistle outside, nice and safe in his new hutch. Brilliant, thank you. Okay, so while she does that, I'm going to show you that we have got something very naughty in our garden. I went out to my roses today and look, something has been eating the leaves. Do you think it's a very big animal? Could be a very, very big animal trying to eat those leaves, couldn't it? All my roses have been eaten. And I looked for a giant bear. And then I looked some more. And I thought, what else could be eating something? It's got to be really, really, really big. And do you know what I found? I thought, no, it can't be. But I found the culprit. And it was not, where's this thing, as big as I thought. It was, in fact, a little tiny caterpillar. Can you see that there? A little tiny caterpillar, that big, had done this much damage to my leaves. So I thought he must be a very hungry caterpillar. And at this time of year, they eat and they eat and they eat. And they eat all the leaves in the garden because they get bigger and bigger. And then I wonder, what do they turn into? You got any ideas what they might turn into? Let me know in the comments section. Right, so let's see what I've got in my bag, and that might give me a clue as to what they might turn into. Let's have a look what's in here, Katie. You can open up the things as I find them. So I'm going to come in here. You'll see that. You see my legs. Just sit down there. Now, what is in our bag today? I've got something in my bag, in my bag, in my bag. I've got something in my bag. What could it be? What could it be? I need to find. Oh no. Oh, this one. Let's take that out and show the children what that might be. What is it? Oh, a little tiny caterpillar. And look, Katie, what else is there? A leaf. A leaf. Wow. What else might there be? Oh, you've got a little caterpillar, haven't you? Okay, let's have a look. I've got something in my bag, in my bag, in my bag. I've got something in my bag. What could it be? Wonder if you could find something else in your bag. Anything will do. What is that? To show the children. Any ideas what that could be? Puzzle. Not sure. Gonna put that on there, along with the caterpillar and the little leaf. What else might be in your bag? Is there a big fat caterpillar? I've got something in my bag, in my bag, in my bag. I've got something in my bag. What could it be? What's coming out? What's coming out? What is it? It's a big fat caterpillar! Wow! That is a really big fat caterpillar, isn't it? And is there one more thing in your bag? Awesome food. I've got something in my bag, in my bag, in my bag. I've got something in my bag. What could it be? What could it be in your bag?
What is?
Wow!
Oh, I know what it is.
What is that? What is that?
It's a big butterfly.
Wow, a big shiny butterfly. Fantastic. And I think there's last thing that we're going to look for in our bag. Are we ready? I've got something in my bag, in my bag, in my bag. I've got something in my bag. What could it be? Wonder what it could be. Oh, a blueberry, a strawberry. Anything else? Oh, an orange. Anything else in your bag? Do you want to tip it out and have a look? Katie's gone in the bag, look. She's gone in the bag. Anything else in the bag? Apart from a Katie? Oh, look. A lollipop. Not for Caitlin to eat, not for Katie to eat. Wow, so there we have lots of exciting things from our bag.
Still don't know what this is.
No, should we read a story and see if we can find out what that might be? And as we go through our story, We've got a little friend to come join us. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see? Bertie says, I always do the stories. I do Bertie's books. I want you to read the story to me. So, we are going to read the story. And as we read the story, Katie will show you the different stages to a butterfly, okay? To a caterpillar to a butterfly. Because we know, don't we, that these little tiny creatures here, this tiny, tiny, tiny little caterpillar, will one day turn into a beautiful butterfly. Right, here we go. So, Katie, if I give you these, okay, and then you can hold up as well the right stage as we read. Okay, so I've got a big book here, one which I know is a favourite with little Portisbury's, and it is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I know also it's a favourite with our caterpillar class, so if there's anybody from Caterpillars watching, hello, and thank you to Dragonfly for lending me all the fabulous resources. So let's get started. Oh, very big book this, isn't it? Here we go, Bertie. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. So we've got the egg stage. Want to put those down in front of Bertie, maybe? Oh no, my book's broken. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. That's right, thank you. Try to put that one next to it. There's your leaf with your little egg. And he went pop! Pop! Out he came. That's it all. Can you make that noise? He came out. Came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Don't forget how small he is. There we go. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Where are we? On Wednesday, he ate through 3 blueberries. We've got a blueberry there. Blueberries. Oh no, he didn't. He ate through 3 plums. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, what did he eat? 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Orange. But, what was he, Katie?
Still hungry. He must be hungry.
He was really hungry. So on Saturday, he ate through, and Katie help me here, he ate through 1 piece of
Cake.
1,
Ice cream.
1,
Pickle.
1 piece of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1
Lollipop.
lollipop, a piece of
Cherry pie.
1
sausage, a cupcake, and watermelon.
Goodness gracious me. And that night, he had a tummy ache. The next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf. Okay, and he felt much better. But he wasn't a small caterpillar anymore. He wasn't even a medium-sized caterpillar anymore. What was he, Katie?
Huge.
A big, fat caterpillar. You see how big he's got now. Look, huge. He built a small house around himself called a cocoon, and he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Ah, Katie. What's that?
A cocoon.
Yes, that's what it is. A cocoon. And the cocoon, can I just show them? Here we go. A cocoon. So the caterpillar built itself, it spins. And actually, when I was looking for my caterpillar this morning, saw loads of these outside. So definitely lots of butterflies getting ready. So he built a small cocoon around himself and he stayed inside for 2 whole weeks.
If he's that big, I don't think it would be that small.
True. Very true. After 2 weeks, he pushed and he wiggled and he wiggled. And sometimes, if you see a cocoon, they do this, don't they? They wiggle and wiggle and wiggle. And out came a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Well done. Beautiful butterfly. And Katie can show you there. Oh, look, she's turning into a beautiful butterfly. A butterfly. And this time of year you will see lots and lots of butterflies around your gardens and when you go out for your walks. So that is the end. Where's Bertie? That's the end of our story there. Bertie's gone fast asleep. Of the very hungry caterpillar. So I suggest today you all go either into your gardens, or when you're on your walk and you have a look to see what you can see. You might find a very little hungry caterpillar. You might look and see a butterfly. You might look and hear some birds. You might find a ladybird. You might want to collect some bugs, and sometimes we collect some bugs and we bring them home and we look at them in the microscope, or a magnifying glass. Really good fun to see what you can see. So I would love to hear what you find. I'd love to see some pictures, hear what you find. Have a look around your gardens. Don't need to go far, and have a look and find if there's any naughty little creatures eating through the plants in your garden. And if they are, don't be too cross with them, because all they're doing is growing and getting ready for summer. Exciting. Right, I think that's us finished for today. It's been great to see you all. Hope you're all keeping well. Lovely weather again to go outside and play, and we hope very soon that we will see you back at school and at Little Portersbury's. So from me, it's a goodbye. From Katie,
Bye.
bye bye. And from a sleepy Bertie here, bye bye. And Whistle is safely out in his hutch in the garden. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.